Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: project assembly name, target framework, and each file's declared namespace. Once done, open the file and compare its namespace to the folder path and project properties. Mismatches cause the error. If the type is in another project, add a project reference, then a using statement, or use the fully qualified name. Make sure reference projects build successfully so the compiler can resolve types during the next build. You now focus on references and type resolution. Add the missing project reference or new get package and rebuild. The compiler needs compiled assemblies to resolve namespaces. Use your IDE's IntelliSense or resolve action to insert the correct using statement. This tells the compiler where the type lives. If you moved files, refactor the namespace declarations to reflect new folders, and run a full solution rebuild so every dependent file updates its references accordingly. You finish by cleaning and rebuilding the solution. That often clears stale metadata, causing namespace errors. If problems persist, delete bin and obj folders, then rebuild, and double-check that target frameworks and assembly names match across projects. Make sure no circular references exist. If you still see the error, create a minimal reproduction project that isolates the type and reference. That reveals whether code, references, or build configuration caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.